Before we jump into the numbers, let's set the stage. What exactly is an LLC, and why might you want one? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a popular business structure that offers personal liability protection. This means your personal assets, like your house or car, are generally shielded from business debts and lawsuits. It's a fantastic choice for small businesses, freelancers, and startups, offering a blend of simplicity and protection that other structures might not. Now, when you decide to form an LLC, you have a few options. You can go the DIY route, navigating state forms and regulations yourself. This can be cost-effective in terms of direct fees, but it's also time-consuming and prone to errors if you're not familiar with the process. Or you can use an online legal service like LegalZoom, which promises to streamline the process, handle the paperwork, and ensure everything is filed correctly. This convenience comes at a price, and that's precisely what we're here to unravel. So let's talk LegalZoom. They offer different packages for LLC formation, and the pricing can vary based on the services included and your state's filing fees. It's essential to understand that state filing fees are separate from LegalZoom's service fees. Every state charges a fee to officially register your LLC, and this amount goes directly to the state, not to LegalZoom. These state fees can range anywhere from $50 to several $100s, depending on where you incorporate. LegalZoom will collect this on your behalf and remit it to the state. LegalZoom typically offers 3 main packages for LLC formation: Basic, Pro, and Premium. Let's break down what each of these usually includes and what you can expect to pay. The Basic tier is LegalZoom's entry-level offering. Currently, LegalZoom often advertises this tier as starting at $0, plus the state filing fees. This sounds incredibly appealing, right? And for many, it is. The Basic package generally includes the preparation and filing of your articles of organization, the fundamental document that officially forms your LLC with the state. It also often includes a comprehensive business name check to ensure your chosen name is available and a tax consultation. This package is designed for entrepreneurs who need the absolute essentials to get their business officially launched without a lot of extra bells and whistles. It's a no-frills, cost-effective solution for getting your business off the ground. However, it's crucial to remember that the state filing fee is always extra. So, while LegalZoom's service fee might be $0, you'll still be paying your state's required amount. Next up is the Pro tier. This package is designed for business owners who need more than just the bare minimum but aren't looking for extensive legal handholding. The Pro tier typically costs around $224 to $249 per year, plus state filing fees. In addition to everything in the Basic tier, the Pro package usually includes an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a vital internal document that outlines the ownership structure, management, and operating procedures of your LLC. While not always legally required by every state, it's highly recommended to have one, especially for multi-member LLCs, as it helps prevent future disputes among members. The Pro tier also often includes an employer identification number, or EIN, which is like a social security number for your business and is necessary for hiring employees or opening a business bank account. You might also get access to bookkeeping tools or customizable legal documents with this package. This tier aims to provide essential tools for efficiently operating your business beyond just formation. Finally, there's the Premium tier. This is LegalZoom's most comprehensive package and is tailored for entrepreneurs who want expert legal guidance and additional support. The Premium tier usually ranges from $269 to $299 per year, plus state filing fees. It includes all the features of the Pro tier, but significantly, it adds personalized assistance from experienced business attorneys. This can include unlimited 30-minute consultations on new legal topics related to your business for a limited period, typically the first 30 days. It also often covers any necessary changes to your LLC formation documents within that initial period. This tier is ideal for business owners who prioritize legal accuracy and want the peace of mind that comes with readily available legal advice. If you anticipate needing legal input early on, this package could be a worthwhile investment. Beyond these core packages, there are other services and potential costs to consider with LegalZoom. One of the most significant is their registered agent service. Every LLC is legally required to have a registered agent, a designated person or entity that can receive legal documents and official state correspondence on behalf of your business. While you can be your own registered agent, it means your personal address will be on public record, and you need to be available during regular business hours to receive important mail. LegalZoom offers a registered agent service for an additional annual fee, which typically ranges from $249 to $299 per year. This service provides privacy by using LegalZoom's address as your official registered agent address and ensures you receive all critical documents promptly. While it's an added cost, many find the privacy and convenience worth it. Another recurring cost you might encounter is the annual report filing. Many states require LLCs to file an annual or biennial report to keep their information updated with the state. LegalZoom can assist with this filing for a fee, which usually starts around $35 to $119, plus the state's filing fee for the annual report. Missing these filings can lead to penalties or even administrative dissolution of your LLC, so it's an important ongoing compliance task. Other potential add-ons and services LegalZoom offers include business licenses and permits research, legal form subscriptions, and trademark registration. Each of these comes with its own separate fee. It's crucial to be aware of these potential extras as you navigate their website, as they can quickly add up if you're not careful. So, to summarize, how much does LegalZoom charge for an LLC? It depends on your needs and how much you're willing to pay for convenience and additional services. Basic formation. LegalZoom's service fee often $0, plus state filing fees. Pro package. LegalZoom's service fee approximately $224 to $249 per year, plus state filing fees. Premium package. LegalZoom's service fee approximately $269 to $299 per year, plus state filing fees. Registered agent service. Annual around $249 to $299 per year. Optional, but highly recommended. Annual report filing. Annual/biennial varies, but LegalZoom's service fee around $35 to $119, plus state filing fee. Remember, the state filing fee is non-negotiable and goes directly to your state. Always check your specific state's filing fee to get a more accurate total cost. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.